Near the cross, O Lamb of God, bring its seeds before me. Help me walk from day to day with its shadow o'er me. In the cross, be my glory ever, till at last my soul shall find rest beyond the river. Near the cross, near